2 minutes. Oh my god. It has been 5 minutes and there's already been over 2,000 orders placed.
It took 2 minutes for this Instagram theme page to create what most people can't build in a year. She ended up making $400,000 in 24 hours and was even invited to Shark Tank.
So sales for this year would be $260,000.
Is that year to date?
Wow.
Actually, I'm sorry, that was $260,000 in 24 hours.
Wait.
However, she's not the only one. There are several accounts that use similar strategies to make hundreds of thousands if not millions. So if you're still looking for the best way to make money online, today I'm reverse engineering this strategy and showing you how these Instagram pages make hundreds of thousands by creating simple Instagram posts, so you can finally start making money online yourself. But first, we need to understand how they're actually making money, because Instagram accounts aren't monetizable in the same way as YouTube. What she did was clever. She grew her audience and leveraged it by selling relatable products. If you go to her website, you can see she's selling merch related to anxiety and emotions, which is exactly what she posts about on Instagram. But listen, it gets even crazier, because this Instagram account posts simple quotes written by hand, gets thousands of likes on his posts, and sells posters in the same style for hundreds of dollars on his store. Later in this video, I'll show you how to set up products and a store like these creators using the print-on-demand site Printful. But before we build anything, you need to understand why these posts go viral. If you look at this Instagram page, you'll see it posts simple one-sentence phrases that are highly relatable and easy to share. And that shareability is the most important part. Even the CEO of Instagram has said that one of the main metrics behind virality is shares, because shares signal a high-value content people want to pass to others, which massively boosts your reach. And look how well it works. Thousands of likes on multiple posts. And that's exactly how the owner of the See the Way I See account started. She chose a simple aesthetic style that's easy on the eyes, then posted short mental health related quotes designed to be highly relatable and shareable. But what's even more important is the branding. These accounts have a consistent, aesthetically pleasing style, and that's why people actually buy, not only because of quotes, but of the style they're presenting the quotes and the brand they're creating. But don't worry, if you're new to branding, stay with me. I'll explain and give you some brand types that you can start today. Just look at these brands, how they make you feel: exclusive, premium, elegant, timeless, right? Now look at these brands. They feel more natural, calm, honest and grounded, right? That's why branding matters. Not because it's aesthetic, but because it creates emotion, builds trust and makes your page memorable. And if your brand doesn't feel trustworthy or recognizable, people just won't buy. But branding doesn't have to be complicated. For example, look at the account I already showed, TL Archives. Their branding is genius. They use simple handwritten posts on purpose. It creates this raw, artistic minimalism that feels unfiltered and personal. It has personality. It stands out immediately. So the next step is simple. We need to create a brand ourselves. If you want a self-love brand like See the Way I See, pick a few main colors and fonts for the brand. The goal isn't to copy them, it's to create something unique. For example, you could make a self-love brand mixed with spirituality and God. It's still self-love, but from different angle. Ask ChatGPT for a color palette that fits your vibe. Then ask it for font ideas. Take viral clothes that match your brand and turn them into posts using Canva, Photoshop, or whatever you use. Play around until it looks clean and aesthetic. But here's where things get interesting, because getting likes on your posts is cool, but you are not getting paid for likes. So the question is, how do we turn this into money without risking money up front? That's where print on demand comes in. Print on demand means you don't buy inventory. A company prints and ships your product only after someone orders. So it's perfect for beginners because you don't need any upfront investment, meaning you have nothing to lose except your time. But you're probably already wasting 4 hours a day doom scrolling. So why not use some of that time to build something for yourself? And there are a lot of platforms, but the one I recommend is Printful, and in a second I'll explain why it's the best option. But first, let me show you how to set it up. After you click the link in the description and sign up on Printful, start by creating your first product. I'll choose a t-shirt. You can upload a design from your computer or type the quote directly inside Printful. Then choose where your design will be printed, on the front, back, or even on sleeves, whatever fits your style. And if you have better ideas and more creativity than me, Printful also offers all over prints, meaning you can print your design across the whole piece of clothing. These little additional details are what makes you stand out from other brands that all look the same. Once your product is ready, connect it to your store, choose your markups, set your price. Here you can also see your profit per sale, then add a name and description for your product and hit publish. That's it. You created a clothing brand digitally without purchasing and holding products in your bedroom. Honestly, I'm very thankful that Printful wanted to sponsor this video because it's really a game changer for people who just want to start making money online and don't have or don't want to risk losing big money without knowing what will work and what won't. But now comes the part that actually decides whether you make money or not, how you promote it. Because most people mess this up. They do one announcement post like new drop out now and hope people buy. And you might get a few sales, but not like see the way I see. Instead, we are going to use the same strategy big merch brands use and the same one she uses too, which is the tease launch strategy. You should tease the product for a week or two, show small hints of it, and that way you build anticipation. Then you announce the launch day and make the product or the merch limited. And that's what creates urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out. People feel like if they don't buy now, they'll miss it. That's exactly how she managed to get 400,000 sales in 24 hours. And the final step is the boring one, but it's the real difference maker: consistency. Most people quit after 2 weeks because nothing happens, but this works the same way YouTube works. You need reps, so just be consistent. And if you want, I'll do the same thing with this business model, meaning I'll start from zero, post consistently, and document the entire process, what works, what flops, and how much it makes. If you want me to make this video, get this one to 2000 likes and subscribe so you don't miss it when it drops.